Guys, welcome back to IITC channel. Now we are going to speak on element number 8 of PSM, which is very strong element of PSM, mechanical integrity. We have published all the elements of PSM on our IITC channel. You may feel free to take and undergo those programs as per your convenient time. We will see the mechanical integrity in this program. We will see following questions, but not limited to. We will see that what do you mean by AIM, asset integrity or asset integrity management. We will see what is a mechanical integrity. We will see what are the different mechanical integrity elements. Gentlemen and ladies, my humble request, please subscribe and press the bell icon, and please also send this link to your friends, professional friends, your company group and WhatsApp group. So guys, now basic thing, we need to understand the difference between occupational safety and process safety. Let us start with occupational safety. As you guys knows that occupational safety focuses mainly on preventing the personal injuries. Personal injuries here means leg injury, finger injury, hand injury, face injury, eye injury, and any body part injuries. And this occupational safety can be measured as per the OSHA's standard in LTI, lost time injuries or lost time accidents. FR means frequency rate, SR means severity rate, FSI means frequency severity index, etc. Normally, as you know that occupational safety or occupational accidents are high in probability. They are always in high numbers. That means failure frequency, accident frequencies are more. But severities compared to the process safety is low. I don't say that it is low in terms of, let's say, there are fatalities in terms of any person working at height. If he falls from the height, he may die, unfortunately. So in that perspective, I'm not saying, but yes, in general, the severity of this occupational safety or occupational related accidents are low. Let us go ahead for process safety. Guys, as you know that the definition of process safety, as per the name, it is a safety of process, means process safety. Primarily, it means of LOPC, loss of primary containment. So it is a process safety is a systematic approach to prevent potential release or LOPC or loss of primary containment. This looks entire processes beginning from the material, equipment, systems and product. It is measured in a different aspect like alarm rate, corrosion rate, flow rate, leak rate. In these terms it can be measured. So if you see in terms of probability, these process safety events are very less in terms of probability, but the severity is very high. When I'm saying severity is very high, that means it can kill many people at one point of time, because this is process safety related event. Anybody and everybody who is in the contour of high fire, high radiation, high exposure zone, he will be affected and he may be killed. So that is why the severity is very high. Severity in terms of fatality, severity in terms of production loss, severity in terms of reputation loss, severity in terms of financial loss. So guys, let's go ahead. I hope by now you understand the basic concept of occupational safety and process safety. In this slide, probably you will have clearer information related to process safety versus occupational safety. If you see this graph, this is y-axis, this is the x-axis. Here in this y-axis you have got MAH, major accident hazard. Hope you are able to see my cursor. And down below is a slip, trip and falls. So this is the accident category. And in x-axis this is the likelihood or frequency. In the beginning this is unlikely or very unlikely, and there is a high possibility or high possibility. If you go and see and refer this slanting line, which is light blue, here it is a personal safety, means occupational safety. If you go down below here, So that means it shows that it is high probability, high in numbers. The same time, if you see the corresponding x-axis, this is the sleep, trip, injuries, and this kind of injuries. So that means this graph shows that personal safety or occupational safety, the possibility is very high, whereas the severity is low in compared to the process safety. Now we are talking about the process safety. If you see here, the process safety here, it is very unlikely in terms of the frequency, in terms of the likelihood, but the severity is MAH, major accident hazard. When we say major accident hazard, that means this event can kill many people at one point of time. It has huge impact on production loss, it has huge impact on facility damage, it has huge impact on financial loss. So guys, this slide is very good slide to understand the definition as well as the difference between process safety versus occupational safety. Guys, I know that you are going through this video, you may be having any question or any suggestion. I would encourage you to please participate in the comment section so that we can come back to you with your queries ASAP basis. So guys, process safety, again you are here saying that process safety involves the prevention of leak, equipment malfunction, and over pressure, corrosion, metal and fatigue. This deals with process characteristics of pressure, temperature, flow, level, and all these things. So the essential elements are, we must know the processes both physically as well as technically to understand complete process safety. So this is what is process safety management. We will go through line by line, one by one, each element, so that you have got very good information regarding process safety management as well as all the elements of process safety. This will see the analyze the process hazard. This is a PHA. PHA is one of the element of process safety. I have created one small video, small presentation only for you. Please search on IITC PHA. You will find it that you get very good information regarding PHA, process hazard analysis. Now we have to also deal with the maintenance, because maintenance is the reliability, availability, and maintainability. Manage and communicate over the life processes. We have to see complete life cycle of process safety in this management system. Guys, as we mentioned that there are total 14 strong elements of PSM. In this program we are going to discuss only mechanical integrity. Other modules are available for you on the IITC channel. So guys, mechanical integrity speaks about the integrity of mechanical strength and equipment. So every company should have established and implement the written procedure to maintain the integrity of equipment. It should be written and approved procedure. What is that? Critical equipment list. What is a critical equipment list? Guys, to identify safety critical equipment, health critical equipment, environment critical equipment, there is a system which is called as a barrier model. You need to qualify all the equipment as per the barrier model, like prevention, mitigation, isolation, control, PPE, discipline. This is the barrier model questions, and you need to qualify, qualify and identify these critical equipment as per these questions. I have prepared a small presentation how to do and how to identify safety critical elements, that is a safety critical elements on IITC channel. You may feel free to go for those program. And inspection and testing must be performed within recognized and general accepted good engineering practices. Each and every inspection and maintenance must be done as per the good engineering practices or as per the manufacturer's recommendation or OEM, or prior operating experience is also important. This would be fit for purpose. Every employee who are involved in this program should be trained as per requirement, as per the TNA, as per the gap analysis. So we need to see that correct deficiency if equipment is outside the acceptable. Never ever try to work on damaged equipment, on faulty equipment, because this is going to kill you. So guys, in nutshell, we have to have established approved procedure for mechanical integrity. There is a program called as RCM, RBI. I have prepared a small presentation for RBI and RCM. You can go through on IITC channel for RBI and RCM. So guys, now you should be able to answer this question. What do you mean by AIM? For AIM, I have created a separate module because this program is little, better and stronger. So there is a small program for 10 minutes for AIM dedicatedly I have designed for you. What is the mechanical integrity? Now you know this. What are the different elements of mechanical integrity? Now you know this. Guys, I hope this information was useful for you. With this, thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.